Everyone wants the million. $1 million, 1 million views, 1 million followers. But here's the truth. You don't start with 1 million. You start with nothing. And it's the small choices, the sacrifices, and the failures that shape your journey. Today, let's break it down into 5 lessons you'll need to understand before your million ever comes. As a kid, Ben Carson was failing school. He had every reason to give up. But instead of chasing short-term fun, his mother pushed him to read every single day. While his classmates played, he studied. That small daily sacrifice, delaying gratification, turned him from the bottom of his class to the top, and eventually into one of the world's leading neurosurgeons. And here's the bridge. What about you? You may not want to be a doctor, but you will face the same choice. Party now or prepare now. Comfort today or success tomorrow. Every time you choose discipline, you're investing in your future self.
I was fortunate enough to have a mother who believed in me when nobody else did. And she refused to allow me to fail. And, she only allowed us to watch a small amount of television, and she made us read books. When everybody else was outside playing, we had to read books. But in the process of reading those books, I read about a lot of people, successful people. And I came to realize that the person who has the most to do with what happens to you is you. It's not somebody else. It's not some outside influence. It's not some environmental factor. It's you and the choices that you make. And once I realized that, poverty didn't bother me anymore because I knew I could change that.
Mr. Beast started YouTube with 0 views, 0 recognition. For years, he made videos nobody watched. But instead of stopping, he reinvested every cent into bigger and better content. That reinvestment compounded, just like interest on money in a bank. Today, he has billions of views and one of the most influential channels in the world. The lesson? Small, consistent actions don't look powerful in the moment, but over time, they build unstoppable momentum. Your question shouldn't be, where will I be tomorrow? But, what will my habits create in 5 years? Think about a young athlete training for the Olympics. While their friends are out every weekend, they're in the gym, exhausted, broke, and sacrificing comfort. They compromise nights of fun for early mornings of pain. But that's the price for something greater. We often see sacrifice as loss, but it isn't. It's trade. You're trading short-term comfort for long-term greatness. The real question is, what are you willing to give up today so that you can win tomorrow? Kobe Bryant wasn't obsessed with fame or endorsements at first. He was obsessed with practice. Hours before games, hours after, mastering footwork, shooting, defense. Before the millions came, the skill came. And because the skill was undeniable, the millions followed. Here's the bridge. Your money will never outgrow your skills. The value you bring determines the value you're paid. Just like Kobe, you need to master your craft before expecting the world to pay you for it.
It's constant stretching, it's constant ice baths, it's constant modalities and massaging, eating the right things, drinking the right things. It's a lifestyle, it's a full-time commitment.
Before the final lesson, we have another special message for you.
Most people quit here, but not you. Iron discipline is a mindset, focus, greatness. We're building something big, and it starts now with you. Join us, subscribe, Watch the next video. Become unstoppable.
Sykkuno streamed on Twitch for years with only 5 to 10 viewers. Imagine that, talking to a screen night after night with nobody listening. Most people would have quit, but he stayed. He kept showing up, even when it felt invisible. Years later, his resilience paid off, and today he's one of the most recognized streamers in the world. The bridge to you is clear. Failure doesn't mean you're done. Low numbers don't mean you're worthless. Resilience is about staying in the fight long enough for your breakthrough to find you. Just like Sykkuno, you don't start with 1 million. You earn it by refusing to quit when no one's watching. Instant gratification, compounding effort, sacrifice, building skills, resilience. These are the real steps to success. Don't chase the million. Chase the habits, the grind, the process. Because the million doesn't come first. You don't start with 1 million. You start with discipline.